Guangdong TransU Automation is an enterprise focusing on providing equipment for automation, intelligent and flexible. Production lines for wood and doors, panel furniture, bamboo, wood, and new material industries. We located in Jiaqing City, Guangdong Province. Our self-built factory, covering a total area of 17,000 square meters. It independently line develops and manufactures intelligent for sided CNC cutting saws, door locks and hinge processing machines, gantry loader frame-type gantry machines, and wooden door panel steering machines, temporary storage machine, turnover machine conveying roller table, lifter table, various specifications of edge banding machine. Production line, we are special good at providing customized production line to satisfy different processing requirements in woodworking fields. Each of our production line will under fulling testing before delivery. We have professional engineering support, high efficiency sales team and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 30 countries. In the future, we will increase investment in production, equipment, and technical research to provide customers with more intelligent products. Win-a-win cooperation and services, creating value for customers, and improving production capacity are the service tenet of Trans Automation.